President. Happy birthday po sa aming pinaka-the best na WSR Chairman. And of course, sa akin pong one of my the best financial advisor and mentor na rin po. Thank you so much po, President, sa lahat ng mga advices and inspiration sa akin to continually grow spiritually and temporarily para mas maging greater instrument of God to help Him in building His kingdom. And in your birthday po, siguro yung prayer ko para sa inyo, ganun din po, continuous growth intellectually, spiritually, and temporally, para you will become a greater instrument of God pa to bless more of His children, the lives of His children, and para magbigay ka pa po ng greater influence and inspiration po sa marami pa pong mga tao around you. Salamat po for sharing your positive vibes and your positive spirit with us, and hintayin po namin ang inyong birthday treat. Happy birthday po uli. Enjoy!
Okay, fourth take. Mahaba na ito. Anyway, President, maraming salamat, no? And we really cannot tell the story of Naik without yung memories of you and your family being a part of our life. So it's been more than 5 years.
Turning to 6 years.
Magsi 6 years na yan.
Sa March 5.
So it seems like time has drifted away. But even though ganun, no, we still feel na somehow Naik is just around, na parang we just left it for just a week. So yung feeling of belongingness has never been faded ever since we come here to Cebu, and we are so grateful and blessed to know you guys, and to be a blessing, you as a blessing, no, to us, and we have so many times na or mahabang panahon na rin na wala kayo, wala kami dyan, but it's still, for me, parang kailan lang na umalis kami. So, mahirap ikwento yung mga kwento ng Naik na hindi kayo kasama sa mga kwentong yun. So, maraming salamat, President, sa inyong family, and especially you as a blessing to us, and all of those memories that we have with Naik. Happy birthday, President, and we wish you all liban lang sa pagiging wish na maging bata ka pa rin itsura, kasi talagang nandyan na yan, normal na siya, embedded na siya. Happy birthday, President. Ako lang yung tumatanda.
Happy birthday, President Matt. Kanina na-receive namin yung message galing kay Ate Sara na magbibigay kami ng birthday wishes and greetings. Kaya lang medyo natagalan kasi madaming meetings sa simbahan. Kararating lang namin. But anyway, we wish you all the best, President, and good health, and more cakes and candles to blow, and nagpapasalamat kami sa opportunity na to, na kahit malayo kami, meron pa din kaming part sa Naik stake at sa Naik ward. Salamat, and happy birthday, and we love you and your family as well.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye. This is it. Final na to.
Happy birthday, Matt! We wish you all the best. Thanks for taking care of my sister and the boys. We love you so much. You're the best. I hope na you can continue to stay healthy and continue to enjoy the family. Thanks for being a great addition to the Pipit family, and for you guys are holding down the fort over there, taking care of mommy too, and daddy too, and the whole fam. Dogs. Your turn.
Happy birthday, Matt. We're proud of you. You're a great leader. You're a great father, a great husband. Thanks for taking care of Sarah and everyone else at the fam. Say hi, Ma.
Hi.
Hi. And say hi from Chewy and Solo.
Happy birthday, Uncle Matt. You're awesome. We're
Where's
going to
Dashy?
visit you soon in the Philippines, I promise.
All right.
Uncle Matt.
Somebody has a birthday, our dear little Uncle Matt here. Dear Father in heaven, bless him throughout the coming cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday, dear Uncle Matt. Cha-cha-cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha.
Eat more chicken.
Hello, Maton!
How are you?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ton.
Yes. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Joke lang. Hindi.
And a Happy New Year.
Yan. So, kung hay Pacho.
And happy birthday.
Yan. So, happy birthday, Ton.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy your day. And gusto lang namin sabihin na stay guwapo. And stay generous. Ayan. So, thank you so much for your good example always and your words of wisdom para sa amin palagi. And thank you for being a brother. Wow. Kung meron akong favorite na sister, ikaw yung favorite kong brother. Ayan.
Katulong naman kayo eh.
Ayan. So, I love you, Maton. Happy birthday. Kung meron kung merong doxage, 'di ba? Si Dr. Sara, meron dapat advisor Matt kasi napakagaling niyang magbigay ng advice. Hindi siya bias. Kahit kapatid ka pa niya, no? Hindi siya bias sa pagbibigay ng mga counsel, ng mga advices. So, thank you so much for that. And happy birthday. We hope na magkita-kita tayo ngayong summer. Yan, parang mini reunion natin. And I know na masaya ka ngayon kasi na-surprise ka nila mami. Nagpunta sila dyan. And yun lang. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ton. See you. And see you. Enjoy your day. Okay? So, stay healthy, Ton.
Yeah, stay healthy.
Stay healthy. Okay lang yan. Parehas lang naman. Malaki tiyan natin.
Mas malaki sa'yo.
Mas malaki tiyan ko. Sige. So, yun lang. See you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bye-bye. Love
Salamat.
you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mathony. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Adi.
Happy birthday.
We love you. Enjoy.
Hi Ading, happy birthday. Surprise ba? Napaka-formal namin. First time namin itong gawin. Pero masaya kami dahil kaarawan mo tomorrow. And pasensya ka na, hindi kami makakarating. Nasabi ko na kay Sarah kung bakit. Pero anyway, sana masaya ka sa birthday mo. And wish you all a good health, happiness, at lahat-lahat na thank you for being you. Thank you for na ikaw ay naging kapatid namin. Thank you for being a good advisor spiritually. And mahal na mahal ka namin. Hindi man tayo lagi nakikita, pero grateful ako na naging kapatid kita. Enjoy your day. You deserve mo yung mga nangyayari sa buhay nyo ngayon. Thank you for being a good husband to Sarah and your family. I love you, Ading. Happy birthday.
Hi Ading, happy birthday. Masaya kami na birthday mo na uli. Bilis ng panahon. Salamat sa pagiging mabait mong kapatid. Pagiging mabait na asawa. Very good example. And ayun, sana maging masaya ka today at sa mga darating pang araw. Ayun, continue to be a blessing. A blessing to everyone. We love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Matt. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Sarah, for this opportunity to greet Matt on a special day. Matt, naalala mo pa ba ang sabi sa inyo ni President na kapag obedient kayo sa mission, ay maganda ang magiging eternal companion nyo. O ayan, you have a beautiful wife, kaya meron ka rin beautiful kids. I want also to take this opportunity to thank you na hindi, kung nasabi sa iyo noon, malaking tulong ka sa amin, no, para mapadali at mapagaan ang load namin nung ma-assign ka sa office. At oo nga pala, salamat din sa minsan pag wala kami, naihatid sundo si Kyle sa school. 5 years old na siya noon. Ngayon ay 21 years old na siya at matalino rin siya kagaya mo. And at noong AP ka or Little Mission President, alam namin na at nakita namin sa iyo ang potential na magiging mission leader someday. And happy birthday. Ayan, again, wish you more blessings of a successful career, more kids, and good health. We love you. You're always in our hearts.
Hello, Matt. Matagal na rin tayo hindi nagkasama, mga 15 years na. Pero, more than 15 years. 7 araw lang pala pagitan natin. February 22 ang birthday ko. Ikaw ay March 2. Oo. Mga 8 days, no? Ibig sabihin, mas bata ako sa'yo ng 8 araw. Naalala mo ba nung 52 years old ako sa mission, nag-surprise birthday
sila ng mga kasama
sa
sisters
office, no? Na-surpresa ako doon na eto na yung araw para pagbayaran mo yung ginawa mo na yun.
Na-surprise.
Hindi sa ikaw ay disobedient, kundi yung mga pinagagawa mo mga sorpresa. Ngayon, sinusorpresa ka namin. At ang may kagagawan ay dati si Sister Tobias, ngayon si Sarah. Sarah na. Marami ka pang magagawa dahil bata ka pa. At salamat sa mga tulong mo sa mission. Malaking bagay ka. Malaking bagay yung presence mo sa office noon. Mga ilang dekada na ang nakaraan. At sana'y magkaroon ka pa o masustain mo yung magandang pangangatawan, health, excellent health, at more wisdom para sa mga tamang desisyon mo sa buhay. Again, isang maligaya at makabuluhang kaarawan sa iyo. Happy birthday.